Your back. Got it back. Somehow just tell.
Come here, pretty boy. Juking into big 25s? Damn.
This is brilliant. So if I go into the World Cup in 1965. Yeah, just pick it up here. Oh crap. Drop my cooler. Oh, got it back. Oh god. No. William, speed. Oh, I did the impossible. Said you did. Are we gonna watch the views go up on this? You know when I used to post. No. I bet this video has got like 10 more views. It's so funny. No. You're just gonna get in the 10. What you looking at, boy? What you looking at? Oh my god, that hurts so much. What the hell is this guy looking at?
You ain't fucking funny.
Even know how to move. Oh my god, I just punched myself again. Stop punching yourself then. Mate, I can't even see it. Oh. Did it. What the hell? See me. Hey Blue, you up there? No. Yo. Hey, yo! And reach that rope. Punch myself. Punch myself again. Oh crap. Just run away from the owl guy. He the nice guy. And the girl like him in. He's back. What did that do? Oh my god. What is stop the damn weapon? Crap! Oh crap. Well, that Mr. Albie shot his well. Next time, stop. Not that shut up. Guys, everybody check out ONF3.
No!
That's it. Venus flytrap. Thank you. You're welcome. Now I'm really angry. Have a great time. No.
Come here, Freddy boy!
Where you going? Look how you catch up to me. I'm so fast. No wonder they call me the speed. Hey,
You messed me up!
Why did Susie just get messed up? Purple. Hey, Purple.
Give me your address.
No. Whoops. Oh, I'm getting good! 39 berries. 0 found. Oh my god. This bloody shelf. 10. 5 minutes ago it was bloody 20. Oh, help
Can
me!
you
Help
stop?
me! Ah, no! I'm not cooked. Not that I'm done. No.
I saw that.
Oh my god. What? He's a He's damn both.
Come here, Freddy boy. The fuck? What the fuck?
They don't call me Mr. Savage for nothing.
Who's burping?
It's the owl guy. It's the owl guy. Wow. Told you.
The dinosaur guy?
I'm in danger. Oh.
That's why I'm a dinosaur. I roar.
That's not right. You're burping your mouth.
Roar.
Nah, man, you ain't a dinosaur, you're a bloody burp.
The burposaurus. What do? You just burped. Oh my god. Now you make me fart.
Oh my god, my. Oh my god, my dog. That one made my throat hurt. Ow.
No.
Come here, baby. Oh my god. Forgot that one was. Come here, pretty boy.
Wee. Oh. Oh my god!
Come here, pretty boy. Ow. Come here. Cha-ching, P. Diddy's coming after you. Touched you. Touched you. Touched you. I touched you. I win.
Nuh-uh. Look, we ain't playing a game, Duffy. You ain't playing a game.
I won.
Game, boy.
I got you.
I wasn't even playing a game, boy. Oh my damn god.
Hola, papi. What? No way! I just said. No way! I just called you daddy in Spanish.
What the hell did you even do that?
Boo! I'm a rhinoceros.
Ooga booga! Ooga booga! Ooga booga! Huli booga! Booga booga booga! Oh my god! That's so
Bro, I've been practicing all day.
Who the hell did
How
that?
did I miss that?
Someone is fast as the wind! Uh-oh!
I blew it. Tasty sweats.
Take away! I ordered takeout to take you out! Come on! Come on! Give me down. Yeah, I'm caught speeding right for nothing.
Nice ball. I want to make out with you. Come here. I'm going to jail.
Never in my life.
I love you the same.
Ow, frick!
If you want to play a mini game, meet me over here.
No one wants to play a damn minigame.
Shit!
Damn minigame, Casey, shut up.
Shut your bitch ass up, dude. Shut your bitch ass up.
Uh-oh, spaghetti. Uh-oh, spaghettios. Yay. Uh-oh, spaghettios. I pooped on you.
Who's saying me?
This is, I want to play
Me.
this. Son of the
Okay, follow me.
Oh my god.
No, how old are you?
Who, me?
What the hell? Where the hell did he go? No, no.
Where's the mini games kid at? I'm right here. I'm the mini
I want to
games
play
kid.
minigames.
Oh, you're the one.
If you want to play mini games, meet me right here.
I reported you, sir.
Meet me at where? Where's here?
Right here.
Where is here?
Ooh,
Where is here?
right here, right
I'm
here.
just gonna leave. I'm just
So
gonna
all
jam
of us, we're gonna play.
How
mini
old are
games,
you?
Like how it works. So
Wow.
Where did that go?
But guys,
yeah. The mini
do
game is
the thing. Everybody who's playing the mini games. From 1 to 10, how
Nobody cares about minigames. They're trash.
sound no more.
you're trash.
You're trash.
Guys, are you playing mini? Okay, I guess just us.
No, I made the nice ball leave by being gay.
Playing the mini games?
Okay,
What
here's
the
the game. I'm gonna slap you and then you're gonna slap
I
me
already
back.
said I wanted to buy.